When writing stories, there are important distinctions between a generic AI writer and an AI writer that's designed for stories specifically. General all-purpose writing tools are usually made to handle a broad range of tasks, everything from SEO optimization to creating email copy. But AI story generators are fine-tuned specifically for the story writing process. There are so many different tools out there which can handle AI story writing, but today I'm going to show you 5 of the absolute best options that are out there. And I'm going to kick this list off with Sudowrite. If you haven't worked with Sudowrite, you are missing out on its unique approach for augmented story writing. It helps writers transform their ideas into working manuscripts using defined AI tools for story writers. Some of the key features that it includes are a character name generator, built-in support for writing multiple character dialogue, and even AI tools for changing pace, writing the next part of a story, outlining a chapter, and so much more. Sudowrite is ideal for novelists and storytellers of any kind who want excellent efficiency in crafting their stories. They also include a free trial that you can check out, and pricing starts at just $19 a month. I have a lot of really awesome tools to cover today, and if you want to check any of them out, I'll leave a link down in the video description below where you can go there and check out every single tool for yourself. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. But let's carry on, and the second one on the list is Jasper AI. Jasper AI is a massive player in the AI writing space. Many know Jasper as a robust AI writer for marketing and business, but what you may not realize is it has built-in use cases for story writing as well. Its long-form editor and custom commands are more than flexible enough to accommodate story writing. Jasper's template library of pre-trained writing tasks are some of the best in the industry. If you're an indie writer who's looking for an all-in-one tool, you might want to consider Jasper. And if you do, pricing starts at $39 a month. Number 3 on our list is Plot Factory. Plot Factory is a dream for writers looking to utilize AI and other tools to flesh out an entire book idea. Whether you are writing a creative story or a novella, Plot Factory helps you create the bones to your story so you can move on with the utmost confidence. Plot Factory's main selling point is the ability to maintain context and coherence across an entire work. It stores all the nitty-gritty details that make a story make sense using one of its many features. Storing these helps writers stay consistent while they develop a story. This product is best for screenwriters and novelists who need a structured approach to storytelling. If you want to try this one out for yourself, there is a free plan available, and paid plans start at $9 a month. Number 4 on the list is Shortly AI. Shortly AI is another AI writer that got its start as an AI story writer. It has now grown into something that can handle all sorts of writing tasks, but still performs fantastically as a story writer. What makes this tool stand out from the rest of the market is its simplicity. There aren't hundreds of use cases or templates, and this means you get to focus on what you're writing and when you need AI. This means that you get to focus on what you're writing, and when you need AI, you can ask it to pick up right where you left off. It's an excellent way for writers to own the process while calling on AI only when they need it. This one's a little more on the pricey side, and paid plans start at $79 a month for unlimited AI words. And finally, the last one on the list is NovelAI. NovelAI is an immersive AI writing companion and story generator that allows anyone to create high-quality literature. Some of its unique features include the ability to generate images to depict characters in your story, and to train the AI to mimic the style of famous authors. It has all of the AI tools you'd expect and packages them together in an easy-to-use UI that is a joy to be in. And speaking of that, it's probably the most fun platform to write on. Aspiring fiction writers who crave depth and complexity in their storytelling will find NovelAI a pleasure to work with. It's reasonably priced and allows for a lot of customization and fine-tuning of how the AI works. And you can try this one out for yourself, starting at just $10 a month. While there are a lot of different AI writers out there, not all of them are built for the task of storytelling, but now you know some of the best ones out there for that. As I mentioned before, you can find links for every single one down in the video description if you want to try any of them for yourself. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, I greatly appreciate it. Before you go though, make sure you like the video and leave a comment letting me know what your favorite tools are, and I'll see you in the next video.